If you have a dirty pool and limited time to deal with it, you probably need a robotic pool cleaner. These great machines take the hassle out of keeping your water crystal clear and help make your pool like those you see on TV. Today in this video I will see you 5 best robotic pool cleaners. I think it helps to clean your pool. Easy to use, single button plug and play and ground robotic pool cleaner, ideal for pools up to 50 feet. Powerful, dual scrubbing brushes forcefully attack dirt and debris, leaving your swimming pool floor, walls, and waterline exceptionally clean in 3 hours. Multiple filter options for an optimal clean pool. Set the Premier's weekly scheduler to automatically clean for you every day, every other day, or every third day. Clever Clean delivers a smart and efficient clean using advanced algorithms for complete pool coverage. Paxis Robot Pool Vacuum, equipped with the advanced brush, which can provide a strong adsorption capacity and excellent wall hanging, without worrying about falling while climbing. Our cordless pool cleaner robot is equipped with the largest 8600 mAh lithium-ion battery, which can achieve up to max 90 minutes of work. Compatible with the unique program and superb sensor array to avoid running outside the pool. According to a different color, you can take different actions for it. Such as the yellow light is on, you should charge the battery. With a large top access filter basket, the pool vacuum cleaner could both clean and circulate the water, leaving your pool sparkling clean. Big's Pool Clean is equipped with a powerful upgraded motor to provide powerful suction, and there are 2 suction doors and brushes at the bottom to clean all kinds of garbage like leaves, buds, tough dirt, debris, sands. Using the latest touch technology, auto reverse when it touches the wall, then continue to clean the pool floor on different paths. We use high quality, corrosion resistant, and waterproof housing materials and precise rubber rings, which have been optimized many times. Big's Pool Cleaner is equipped with a 4000 mAh battery, which can be used for 1 hour after charging for 4 to 5 hours. Press the power button and put it into the pool immediately, work automatically in water. No hose, no Coulter cord. Don't rely on your pool filter. This cordless automatic pool cleaner quickly cleans your 538 SQ per foot pool in around 50 minutes. This upgraded pool vacuum is featured with 2 pieces powerful motors to provide strong suction, also combined with 2 pieces bottom brushes to attack kinds of garbage. This robotic pool cleaner is designed to work safely as its built-in IPX8 waterproof lithium battery. Weight's only 6.6 pounds, you don't need to spend manual labor, just drop it in, let it go, and lift it out. Self-dock smart technology tells pool cleaner robotic stops near the pool wall when the battery is low or completed. The underwater brushless motor directly drives the thruster, eliminating the shortcomings of the low life of traditional reduction gears. Unique wireless remote control function, which is convenient for you to easily switch between automatic and remote control. 100% of the energy power comes from solar energy. There is no cable connection, and a built-in battery provides power for use at night. Automatically remove various floating debris on the water surface, such as leaves, dust, pollen, dead insects, etc. The top handle basket design makes it easy to empty and lift the large capacity debris basket without removing the betta from the pool. Please do subscribe to this channel for the new videos.